Where's the turkey? You see him? Yeah? Keep your eyes peeled.
Keep looking, buddy.
Okay, Mommy, what do we got here?
Well, so it's the last day, and can I come over here?
It rained earlier, didn't it? It's kind of windy.
Come here. Come here. You want to show the camera?
Show? Show the dinosaur? Look at that.
Yeah.
See a dinosaur? Gotta bring a dinosaur. Whatever it takes to keep him occupied. Okay? And then, Mommy, it's the last day?
It's the last day. This is the last hurrah. Sean's really determined to get me a bird. So, here we are.
What are our chances? Pretty good?
Well, I mean, I'm such a sharp shooter that I'd say our chances are really good.
Like 95% probably?
Probably 110%.
Okay. You gonna find the turkey? Where's the turkey? Bud?
Where's the turkey?
Where's the turkey? Is he over there? Go, there's a plane. Go get the plane.
Go get the plane.
Spot the plane, bud. We'll be nice and quiet here, of course, while we're hunting. So we just got set up in the blind. I was in here 5 minutes. I decided to go to the far north side of this field and kind of glass into the field on the other side of that tree line. And lo and behold, there's 3 jakes. And they're kind of drifting in this general direction. So I called when I first saw them. And then I called on 2 more occasions. The second time halfway back to the blind. Third time near the blind. And now, 4th time, I'm in the blind. And if they read the script, they should come around the corner. And it's probably that same trio of jakes that came in gobbling and spotted Dakota in the blind on that really sunny afternoon when the sun was unfairly shining down in the blind. So hopefully these birds play along and come right in. Wouldn't that be something? Last couple hours, the last day? You see the turkey, Mommy? Right there. Right there. Right there. Yes. Right there. Right there. Right there. Yes.
This is a turkey.
There it is. You see it? See the turkey like that. See the turkey right there. You see the turkey? See it? You see the turkey? You guys right there. See his head? Yeah. Oh my God, we're gonna get one.
Wait.
Shh, turkey, you gotta be quiet. Hey, don't move. Okay, no, I do.
Just wait till he comes in.
I know.
It's over there. Yeah, see, there's another one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, there's 2 turkeys, buddy. Yeah, you gotta be real quiet. Don't touch it.
I'll tell you when to shoot, okay? Oh, here comes the 3rd one. Look. This is that group of 3 I was telling you about. They're popping out. They're coming. Right, and then they come from the left and line up the beans. Yes. That's how you have to do. They're literally almost within range now. Oh, baby, they're coming.
Okay, get down.
The one's gonna swing around left.
Hide. Dakota, come here.
They're still right there. I can see all 3 of them from the corner here.
I know I can do.
You're doing good, babe.
Okay, do something.
They're slowly gonna work their way this way. I don't want to they're just kind of okay, they're just chilling. If I get too aggressive,
Then they'll go away.
at this distance, it'll kind of it'll put them on edge. Okay, he's gonna tighten the field. The more they swing around this little hump right there, this is all flat behind the blind. So when they get swinging around to the left, they're gonna be able to see that Jake. She's gonna have to shoot on the back side of the blind. In which case, are not in a hurry. And that is annoying. We're running out of time here. Good. The one in the middle.
Yeah.
Hold on. 2, 3. You got him, baby. You got him. You got him.
I just kicked myself in the face.
You got him. You got him. Let's go out there. You got him. Wow, babe, what a shot. You did fantastic.
Sucked.
Oh, babe, give me a kiss.
Too much.
You did good. All right, get up there. Get up there. 52-yard shot on the last hour and a half of the last day. She pulls it off, folks. That's incredible. Well, what do you think?
I think that gun kicks really, really hard. It flew back and landed on my son, who's sleeping in the blind.
Thank God we put the gun range earmuffs on him.
He didn't even wake up.
He didn't even wake up.
Didn't even wake up.
How long were we watching these 3 birds, Fanta?
A long time.
Wow.
I don't know, what time is it now?
50-yard shot.
Almost 7.
Wow, babe.
52 yards, okay, thank you.
Little man is in the blind way back there. So here we are. It's the last day of the 2023 Kentucky turkey season. And Fanta pulls it off in the 11th hour. Look at that.
Look at my bird.
Look at that. And I spotted these birds about 250 yards away, and I called to them 3 different times on the way back to the blind, sucked them right in. About 45 minutes to an hour later, they finally popped up, about an hour, and came right in, and they hung out within between 55 and 75 yards for about an hour, didn't they? And talk about frustrating. Trying to keep Dakota quiet.
He did really good.
But he was a trooper. Boy, oh boy, he did a great job. Not too bad to be in a blind with a 3-year-old and still pull it off, huh? 52-yard shot. Incredible.